Okay, hey guys, I'm back with another quick video for you, a natural hair nighttime routine. And so there's a debate on whether you should use a satin scarf or a satin pillowcase, and really the choice is yours. You have to find out what works best for you in your hair and what you're more comfortable with. And so for my nighttime routine, I use two hair ties and I go ahead and pineapple my hair. And I just split it in half and pineapple both sides. Nothing special, just nice and loose, nothing too tight. There we go, and then I just go ahead and take my satin scarf and wrap it around my head. This is a very simple routine. Taking care of hair is not that hard once you know how to do it. It's not hard. Again, so I'm going to go ahead and tie this around my head. Not loosely, but snug, but not too snug where it's going to give me a headache. And I don't even tie it in the back. I just kind of wrap it around and tuck it in on both sides, as you can see. And there you go. I make sure I have enough room for my hair and my curls are not smashed. They're nice and protected. They stay moisturized overnight. And there we go. Very simple, natural hair nighttime routine. And these simple things make a big difference in your natural hair journey, man. Just, I wish I would have been doing this from the beginning and it would have made a big difference. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys what it looks like the next day. Okay, it's the next morning. I'm feeling nice and refreshed. And you can see it held overnight. I didn't have to mess with it at all. I'm going to go ahead and just take it off. And I don't like to mess with my hair too much. I'm just going to go ahead and take off the little wraps, the little hair ties, and shake out my hair. I try not to touch my hair too much. I might fluff it with my fingers. I don't like to use a pick. But there you go, a very simple natural hair nighttime routine.
You will never fail if you be yourself. You can never fail if you be yourself. Yourself never fail.